Here we have the Effeuno P134H 509 with Biscotto Claystone. We shall run through the unboxing, setup, features of this oven and also the first turn on and heat up. The oven comes with a refractory brick shelf and a Biscotto Claystone. Today we will be removing the refractory brick shelf and replacing it with the Biscotto Claystone so we can bake some delicious Neapolitan pizzas. Wipe down the Biscotti with a damp cloth to remove any dust. The P134H can be used commercially and for home use. It's a compact oven and sits on a work surface easily. The weight of the oven is 22 kilos, 48 pounds. Comes with an instruction manual in multiple languages. To change the refractory brick shelf to the Biscotto Claystone, you simply lift the refractory brick shelf and lay the Biscotto stone on the runners in the oven. You can cook pizzas within 70 seconds and the light inside allows you to keep an eye on the baking process. The oven door has 3 layers of glass, so it is very well insulated. On the side of the oven there is a fan vent. Remove all the outer film from the oven. The oven has 4 feet. You can adjust these to allow some airspace. We used a spirit level to make sure it was all level. The power is 13 amps and the plug is supplied either with a USA, UK or EU plug, depending on your location. The oven's electrical power supply is 230 volts, 50 to 60 Hertz. Power 3 kilowatts. The oven has 2 heating elements that reach 509 Celsius. The bottom element is underneath the stone and the top element is at the top of the oven. To change the refractory brick shelf to the Biscotto Claystone, you simply lift the refractory brick shelf and lay the Biscotto stone on the runners in the oven. Each Biscotto stone is unique and they are handmade. The Biscotti has a rough rustic surface to it. It is approximately 3 to 4 centimetres, 1 inch thick. Blackrock Grill are the main UK and USA stockists for the Effeuno range of pizza ovens. Please check out our website to view the range and drop us a message if you have any questions at all. For the first heat, we advise you gradually increase the heat of the oven. First, set the temperatures at 150 Celsius, which is 302 Fahrenheit, on both thermostats. When the light is on, it's heating to reach the set temperature. Once the light turns off, it's up to temperature. We now increase the heat to 250 Celsius, which is 482 Fahrenheit, and repeat this process increasing the temperature by 100 Celsius, 212 Fahrenheit each time. Some smoke and odour may occur as there may be some oil left on the heating elements from the manufacturer. And there we have it, the Effeuno P134H 509. Please check out our other videos and our website for the other ranges of Effeuno pizza ovens. Thank you for your time.